Hello everyone! In this video I will show how we build a new shelf above the driver's cab. The first step was to remove the bulkhead because we wanted to build a special new wall. And then we removed that plastic cover. Actually we didn't know how to take out properly, so finally we just flexed out. After this we have this nice and big space, so we could start the building. As you can see, we put 5 pieces of wood to hold the shelf. You can see the whole space here. We built this frame, what could be so much bigger, but we couldn't do it because of the shape of the space. We just put it in its place, but as you can see, nothing is fit. At this point, we truly regretted that we destroyed the original plastic cover. We drilled down the frame and then put the back cover on. It wasn't easy because there was no place for my hand. We had to install the frame first without the back plywood part, because otherwise the whole box would be very stiff and cannot fit into its place. So the box without the back part was a little bit flexible, so it can sit on its place. Then we put on the bubble reflective foil and finally put back the original cover of the driver's cab. In this point, we realized that we are not able to build a new bulkhead because first reason, we are not experts. Second, the whole van is curved, so it's not easy to build a wall. However, other YouTube videos show the opposite. The third reason, we have double seat, which also has a curve, so it's almost impossible to build there a safe wall. The next step to cover the front part of the frame. It didn't look nice, so we find out that we should cover the whole wall with fabric. We ordered this special car fabric and we realized this is our solution for all problems. This kind of fabric can stretch for 4 sides, so cover everything in a nice way. Easy to put on and look great. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, just leave a comment below. I answer as soon as possible because I know how it works in van conversion. Good luck!